Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College Karnal. Today we are going to learn about DD path in software testing. In software testing, DD paths, which means the decision to decision path, are the sequences of code between the decision points in a program, which means it is a path of execution where flow graph representing a program such as flowchart between two decisions. Most recent version of the concept also includes decisions themselves by DD paths. How we will manage it? Flow graph of a program, each color donates. So these are the different colors of DD path, which donates like node 1, 2, 5, 6 are each of their own DD path containing a single node. This 1, 2, 5, 6. Node 3, 4, this one from one DD path, they are the maximal like chain because this is the longest chain here, right? Let's see the definition here in Hong's 1975 paper. A DD path is defined as a path in a program's flowchart such that following holds. Like its first constituent edge emanates either from the entry node or the decision box. Its last constituent edge terminates either at the decision table or at the exit node. There are no decision boxes on the path except those at the end, both ends. Let's start with more explanation. Decision points, we can say that there are points in the code where the program's flow of execution can branch based on a condition, which we call it, for example, if statements, switch statements, then the DD paths. What is DD path? DD path is a maximal chain of statements, or we can say set of nodes in a program graph such that of the following holds. And also like it starts at one decision point and ends at the next decision points, or we can say at the end of the program. Now here it consists of a single node degree equal to 0, which means it is an initial node. 0 it's starting. It consists of the single node without degree, which means it's also 0, but it is a terminal node. It consists of the single node in degree which is greater than equal to 2, or out degree which is greater than equal to 2, which means decision and merge points. It consists of the single node with in degree equal to 1 and out degree equal to 1. It is maximum chain of length is greater than equal to 1. This is it for the video. We'll continue with the next video with the properties of the DD path.